I've got a lot of pumpkins, and there's only so many pumpkin pies a girl can eat. But I can always find a way to eat roasted pumpkin seeds. So, started some pumpkins today for pumpkin pie and have the guts of both. The first thing I want to do though is save the seeds for growing in the spring. So let's start with that activity. This is the New England sugar pie, and this is the winter luxury pie. This part is simple. Dump it out, put this aside for a few days, let them dry. And then there are the seeds from our winter luxury pie. I'm going to let those dry out for a couple days as well, and then we'll get those into envelopes and store them for spring. I've got the seeds all cleaned up, and I'm going to set the oven at 325. And we're going to put these in a pan. Try to pick out any big pieces of flesh that's left there. Taking the shortcut and just pouring boiling water from the kettle over them. And we're going to boil these on the stove for about 5 minutes. All right, while we wait for the seeds to come to the boil, what we're going to do next is we're going to melt a little bit of butter. I'm going to mix in just a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to line a baking dish. Then we will remove the seeds from the water, pat them down really good with paper towel, and then coat them with the melted butter and olive oil. And then we're going to toss them with some homemade ranch seasoning. And then we'll get them in the oven for about 10 minutes, shake them around a little, see how they look, and have some hot salty seeds. Say about a tablespoon and a half is enough. Got them out of the strainer here. Get them into a bowl. That melted butter out. I'm going to hit this with some oil. And I'll probably put, I don't know, half tablespoon in. Tablespoon. Try to spread them out as best I can here. And then we'll get them in the oven for about 10 minutes and check them out. These are getting a little closer. I'd like to see them just a slight bit more golden, so we're going to go for a few more minutes. Those look about done. So let them cool for a few minutes. You can see how they've gotten a little puffed up. As they crisp, they kind of blew up a little bit. I love them when they're hot and salty.